Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So it's been too long, but we are finally back on the 100K Topstep trading combine. I'm feeling so nervous and really anxious going back into the series again, but obviously I'll explain further as we get into the breakdown. I do want to give you a little bit of context if you did not see my most recent upload before this video. But the reason why I had to pause the series is because, well, there was a lot of trading issues. Long story short, it's been running for a little over 2 weeks for a lot of other traders where they had platform issues. For me, it was 7 trading days. So I'm just glad that everything is squared away now and I'm actually able to trade again. But going back to the whole feelings thing, I'm just all over the place. Starting with my category 1 of my trading psychology and mentality. I slept really late last night because I had to work till around 2 in the morning. And then obviously by the time this video uploads and while I was trading, I was still working. So I've just been really mentally exhausted and feeling like at a certain cap. But we're getting through it. I mean, you know, one day at a time. And I think more than anything, just feeling the nerves of recording again and being in front of everyone and showing my trades is just kind of getting to me. Like, I know I'm not in a rush to get funded or to get paid out anymore, but I still feel like those nerves and those feelings because it's been so long since I uploaded this kind of content. So yeah, anyways, going into category 2, it's gonna be with my strategy. So with my strategy, as you may know, I'm a scalper, so looking for those, 10 to 20 point moves, sometimes 5. I'll take whatever I can get, but most importantly, letting my runners run. And for today's video specifically, I think because I was so nervous coming back into the combine and recording, I didn't have confidence in my system or really in myself to allow my runner to run. So I exited right away, and had I left it, I mean, we would have eventually hit it and then we actually ran even more. But it's all good, it is what it is. I'm glad that I was in and out of the trading session today. So with the strategy, I just kept it really quick to the point, literally under not even 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes of trading, and I was done. So then yeah, the last category is going to be my performance, like my overall execution. I really believe that I did well my first day back, as far as once I started to feel FOMO and more importantly, like really nervous about my trading, I wanted to stop, and that's exactly what I did. So I feel like that was a really good call, but obviously a lot of money was left on the table. It's just one of those days, that you don't win them all, but at least I got a little piece of it, and that's all I can ask for. And also on my PA accounts, I mean, that's all I can ask for. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut the talking and get to the live trade. Alright, so I just got into my first trade and I did scale in 2 contracts. So right now, looking at the NASDAQ book map chart on YouTube, we're obviously kind of just sideways action, consolidating quite a bit. We have a lot of liquidity to the upside based upon our chart right here. Lots of orders sitting at 700 and some news to worry about as well. So with our news, it's currently 9:49 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so I'm trying to get this as a quick trade, but also I might enter another trade later on during like earnings or before earnings. But we have at 10 o'clock 2 different releases, and then at 12:30 we have the Google and Microsoft earnings report. So that's going to be really interesting to see, and I think that's going to shift the market quite a bit. Right now, looking at the ES trading view chart here, we have like a little flag situation going on. I obviously want to see it break to the upside. We initially tapped this first R1 level at 45.97, so I want to see if we can break through to 4,600. The reason why I picked 4,600 is because if I look at the book map, we have quite a bit of orders stacked up here. We have from 58, we have 28, 31, 58, 148, like just a whole bunch of orders just hanging out up here. So right now it's just a matter of being patient, watching that play out, coming back to NASDAQ one more time, trying to see the squeeze up to 87. This is the trade that I'm in right now. So 6 cons, but because I'm copy trading 3 other combines, it's 2 cons per combine. So my first TP is the top of that flag, 85, and I want to see it push through 95 if possible. I might move that to 90 though, or like 92. And the reason why I'm thinking maybe 90 or 92 is because looking at the NQ right now, you can see that heavy liquidity stack right here of 56, or I'm sorry, 96, 97 now. So it's starting to grow, definitely grow in size. I feel like if we squeeze through, I'm not sure if these are buy or sell orders, but if it is, the orders to give us momentum to the upside, then obviously we want to see that push to 95. So for right now, I mean, it's looking pretty strong. Looks like bulls are taking over. So matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna go and hang out and keep it at 95 right now. I'm liking this play so far. Let's go ahead and take this 85 level. Don't be shy. It's okay. It's okay. We're almost there. Don't be shy. I want to see us close out of this flag. Here we go. We're moving still. Perfect. Come on. You're almost there. You are so close. Beautiful. Okay, our first contract has been removed. Now, this 90 area, I want to see this push through the 90. I can get this push through the 90s. Honestly, that'd be great. That would be great. We're gonna go ahead and take this. Did it exit? Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. So I'm actually gonna call it on this account. I don't feel like FOMO trading and trading anymore, to be honest. Gonna go back into work now, but I wanted to show you my obvious like overall thing. So we didn't hit 700 just yet, but for our performance center, we have gross 505, 2 trades, total 4 cons, and then our commissions 916 brings us down to 495.84 on the day. So pretty happy with our first trade back into the combine. To be honest, I was feeling a little bit out of it. Not only for like coming into the combine itself, but just trading. So yeah, I mean, I'm glad we did well and we executed. And that is a wrap of day 5 for the 100K Topstep trading combine. I really hope you're as excited but not as nervous as I am coming into trading, and more specifically this combine. If you're interested to trade alongside me with Topstep, feel free to click the link in my description. They do have a really big discount on their combines right now, between 60 to 70% off. But as always, I do appreciate your guys' time and support. I wish you nothing but the best and most success in your trading journey, and I'll see you all in the next video.